This is a Dr. Bill Quarter, physician, consultant, author, with one question that I would like to address. When did you last touch the earth? Now, for many of you, that question is going to sound ridiculous. You're probably saying, oh, I'm touching the earth right now. The answer is no, you're not. You only touch the earth when you make skin contact with the ground. Unfortunately for most of us, that is happening less and less frequently. All of us, I think, are aware of Kenneth Cooper's long-standing recommendation to take 10,000 steps a day. Those 10,000 steps a day keep you physically fit and physically healthy. I certainly am a proponent of those. But for most of us, when we take those 10,000 steps a day, we're walking on concrete, we're walking on asphalt, we're walking on carpet. We're not touching the earth. Now, what's the problem with that? The problem is that you and I are both electron deficient. And being electron deficient is impacting our health in a negative fashion. When we were in grade school, all of us learned about the North and South Pole. But what we were not taught is that the earth is a 6 sextillion metric ton battery. The earth is loaded with electrons on its surface. The surface is really negatively charged. Where do we get those electrons? We get those electrons from the solar sun. We get the electrons from our molten core. And we get the electrons from the 5,000 lightning strikes that hit this planet in every single minute. So the earth is teeming with electrons. We need those electrons. Our feet are amazingly designed to absorb those electrons. We have 1,300 nerve endings per square inch. All of us tend to think of the body as kind of a chemical factory, a physiologic factory, but we're very electrical too. Our heart goes on electrical impulse. Our nerves go on electrical impulse. And those electrical parts of our body are really crucial for repairing physical health. Let me give you a quick example. Inflammation and aging produce free radicals. Free radicals are little particles that cause damage to cells, cause damage to DNA. Those particles need to be absorbed. They need to be eliminated. What eliminates them? Electrons. And yet most of us don't touch the earth, so we don't have electrons to absorb those free radicals. The result is inflammation, pain, discomfort, and disease. So the recommendation with this presentation is to try to create time where you can go barefoot. Try to create time where you can do gardening, where your hand is touching a plant or touching the dirt. Or try to create time where you can go swimming in a lake or the ocean. All of that allows your body to absorb electrons. All of that allows your body to be healthier. Now, for many of us, that's not easy. We work all day, we come home, it's dark, we don't have a chance. I want to make a recommendation. Many companies produce something called an earthing sheet, a grounding sheet. It's a sheet that you plug into your socket, you put on the lower sheet of your bed, and you sleep on it with your feet touching it. So all night long as you sleep, you're absorbing electrons. Not as well as stepping on the ground or grass, but still absorbing electrons. So that's something to consider if you don't have time to find a place to go barefoot or to make contact with the earth. So that's the recommendation. Keep taking those steps, but try to touch the earth. Our species need it, we need it. It will improve your health and help keep some of the illnesses at bay. Hopefully this resonated with you. Hopefully you'll give it a try. If so, please stay tuned. And thank you very much.